Rice, flour, and grain milling are essential to the global food industry, transforming agricultural produce into high-quality products that meet consumer demand. From rice milling and flour production to pulse processing, grain cleaning, and value-added food ingredients, manufacturers require efficient operations, strict quality control, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of rice, flour, and grain milling while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From raw material procurement, inventory management, production planning, grain cleaning, milling, grading, blending, quality assurance, packaging, warehousing, and distribution, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize equipment utilization, monitor raw material consumption, schedule production efficiently, and maximize yield while maintaining